Hey Doug community, DynamicsCon Virtual is right around the corner and we want to help you maximize your experience. So let's go over how to set up meetings and navigate the agenda in the Brella platform.
From your main dashboard, clicking on the People tab will show you all of your matches, or people that show similar interests as you when setting up their profile. Here at the top, you can also see profiles you bookmarked, view all attendee profiles, search, and even filter by interest, industry, and more. To set up a meeting, click Connect on the person's profile, then click Suggest Meeting. Brella will then show you available meeting slots for you to choose from. Once you select the time slot, you'll be given the option to type a custom invite message or invite more people to the meeting. Meeting requests and messages can always be accessed from the top right corner of the Brella interface. When viewing a meeting request, you can then choose to accept, reschedule, or decline the meeting. When viewing a multiple person meeting, you're able to view a list of all others that are attending, have been invited, and have declined the meeting. In the Schedule tab, you can view the full agenda, and any meetings you have will show up right alongside sessions in your timeline. In this tab, you can customize your view to one that fits your needs. From the top right corner, you can filter by track, speakers, and more. You can even hide select content so that your view only shows your bookmarked sessions and accepted meetings, making it a tailored experience and easier to reference. Open the settings in the top right corner to change your calendar view from default timeline view to linear or simplified. From this menu, you can also choose which times you appear available for others to set up meetings with you throughout the day. Another feature I want to highlight, you can sync your bookmarked sessions and scheduled meetings to your own calendar. To achieve this, open the instructions in the settings menu and follow the steps that correspond to the calendar app you use. You can also export your calendar, but keep in mind that any changes made to the schedule won't be reflected in this export.
We recommend setting up your meetings ahead of time. See which sessions you absolutely don't want to miss and block those times off from your meeting calendar. Find people you absolutely want to meet with and secure a time to connect with them. With so much being offered at DynamicsCon Virtual at once, calendars will fill up fast. So start getting organized in Brella now, building your own schedule that ensures you get the most out of this conference based on your learning and networking goals. That's all for now. I'll catch you in the next tutorial where I go over navigating sponsor booths and the live stream tab. Or if you prefer to explore on your own, I'll see you on November 13th at DynamicsCon Virtual.